Alright guys, how you doing? Welcome to another video. So today video we're gonna do first mods to the Mercedes. I bought this LED fog lights, so we're gonna install them. We need to be quiet because it's 9 o'clock, so obviously I don't want to make too much noises just because the neighbours. So we changed the plan guys because we've been needed a bit of wood to put there and put the axle stand. So now what we're doing, we just lift the car up and come here. And my wee brother has helped me. So we just lift the car up and you have, what is it? What's the
like,
what?
Oh, go on, 8 mil.
So you need the 8 mil?
No. And just get that up. One clamp here. Another one inside in there. And that's it. And just push this up. And you can get in there.
And that's the fog light out. Hal, come here!
Don't touch it, hon.
So that's there. And there's the crack pot. So now guys, we have these two clamps. John is gonna show us.
Go one there and one there. Push both at the same time.
Okay.
Push them in and just pull it out.
There we go.
That's that easy.
And we have the new one here.
There you go, the new one. You go just like that.
So the other one should go.
That's it.
John?
Yep.
There you are. And
Just get it back in that.
wait a minute, keep them like that. So we can we know it's
like that?
working, yeah. Oh well. As a cover, that's a fail. No. Stock one. New one. So I think it's a big fail. It's not working. We've tried to pair both of them, like to change, but it's not working. Okay, so that's a big fail. Fog lights, LED ones. I'm a wee bit disappointed to be honest, but I don't know. I'm probably not gonna buy them anymore. I'm not gonna do a lot of stuff to this car anyway, so I'm just gonna save my money up and do the Clio. Buy more parts for the Clio instead. Yeah, this I still have the wind deflectors waiting for them to come, so hopefully when that will be here I'm gonna make another video. Thank you so much for watching guys.